What if you could solve your biggest operational challenges finding experienced engineers, managing high overhead, and stabilizing your project pipeline with a single strategic decision? Many firms struggle with these exact issues, but a select few are turning them into a competitive advantage. This isn't just about saving your business. It's the same strategy nations are using to win the global race for infrastructure. Think about this. How can offloading design work not only build your business but also help build your nation's reputation? We'll show you how outsourcing is the answer to both. What if the secret to winning a billion-dollar infrastructure race isn't about having the biggest budget, but the smartest system? We're going to explore how engineering outsourcing is being transformed from a simple cost center into a powerful competitive weapon for entire nations. Have you ever felt the pressure mounting in your own firm? The constant, draining hunt for experienced engineers, the ever-increasing costs of licensed software and premium office space, and the financial drag of bench time when projects stall. These aren't just your problems. They are the exact vulnerabilities that can cripple a company's growth and limit a nation's ability to build its future. These are the cracks in the foundation that your biggest competitors are hoping you never fix. Many leaders view outsourcing as a risky compromise, a necessary evil where you are forced to trade quality control and data security just to get a handle on costs. But what if that perspective is completely outdated? What if I told you that this view misunderstands how modern engineering collaboration actually works? This isn't about simply hiring bodies in a foreign country. True civil engineering outsourcing today is a sophisticated and secure ecosystem. It's built on a foundation of licensed, cutting-edge technology like Civil 3D for design and Autodesk Construction Cloud for project management. This technology creates a secure, transparent, and collaborative bridge that instantly connects your core team with specialized global talent, no matter where they are. This system is about so much more than saving money. It's about strategically building national capability. Just look at a country like Vietnam. It has intentionally nurtured its engineering workforce into a world-class global asset. This has allowed domestic firms like AXANH engineers to become key partners on high-stakes, complex projects in demanding markets like the United States and Australia. They aren't just completing tasks. They are delivering critical value that helps these projects succeed. This strategic approach is precisely how smaller players can not only compete, but win against global giants. By leveraging a global talent pipeline, they gain immediate access to specialized skills that might be unavailable or prohibitively expensive locally. This allows them to accelerate project timelines dramatically, turning what was once a budgetary constraint into a powerful competitive edge. The proof is in the results. Have you ever wondered what you could actually accomplish with up to 70% savings on your engineering costs? Industry reports show that strategic outsourcing can deliver that level of efficiency while rigorously maintaining, and often exceeding, established quality benchmarks. Think about this. What new markets could you enter? What ambitious projects could you finally bid on? One firm owner, Chris Lovis, discovered the power of this firsthand. By offloading detailed design work, he was freed up to focus on what he does best: building client relationships and winning new projects. He ultimately scaled his business, describing his outsourcing partner as knowledgeable, responsive, and pleasant to work with. So, the way these smaller countries and nimble firms consistently outbid the global giants isn't by cutting corners or sacrificing quality. It's by building a highly efficient, deeply integrated, global engineering machine. They have redefined outsourcing from a simple cost-saving tactic into a core strategic advantage that powers their growth. This model doesn't just solve your firm's internal operational headaches. It plugs you directly into a global strategy that is helping entire nations win the infrastructure race. The final insight is this: engineering outsourcing is no longer just a business decision. It's a new paradigm for global collaboration. The future of winning in infrastructure isn't about building isolated national teams, but about creating secure, efficient, global talent pipelines that transcend borders. So let me ask you, how could your firm leverage this global talent pipeline to not just win more work, but to tackle bigger, more ambitious projects? The real question isn't whether you can afford to outsource, but whether you can afford not to in this new global race. Share your thoughts on the biggest barrier you see to adoption in the comments below.